today, a little bit heartier, not quite as light. We are going to make a BLT Pasta Salad. For this salad, you will need the medium shell pasta, boil about half a box. You will need 1 cup of chopped bacon, cooked, obviously, right? Put that in there. You will need half of an onion, chopped. You will need 1 tomato, diced up. Finish this up real quick. Put that in there. Now obviously you could add other things, as peppers and such if you choose. You also need 3/4 of a cup of ranch salad dressing, any brand. Pour that in. Give it a little toss. If you like some salt and pepper to taste, I never pre-salt and pepper. I leave it up to whoever's eating it, assuming you know what you like best. Once that's stirred, both of these salads you probably want to put in your refrigerator and let chill a little bit before serving, like maybe an hour. But there, doesn't that just look creamy and delicious? Perfect for your garden parties or on a hot day. Thank you. Join me again next time where we'll discover some other fun recipes.